Good morning once again. So here I am, Fem Filipina, living in Australia. So for now, what we're going to discuss is your beans, how to convert it into your rewards or whatever you want to do with your beans. So guys, if you like my videos, follow or subscribe so you can be notified of all the YouTube videos that I'm doing at the moment. So if you want to know more, just leave a comment and I'll try to answer all your queries. Alright, so from your wallet, I'll show you how to just click your wallet. There you go. Wait for that. So go to your beans. There you go, beans. So just click your beans. So that is current beans. So my current beans is 225 because I already exchanged. So here, for those who wanted to exchange your beans into diamond, just click the diamond. So here, then they will ask you to ask for a password. Now I will enter my password for a while because they will give you a password for that. So. That's it. Yep. So we'll click OK. There you go. See, my 225 beans is equivalent to 59. Alright, so now I want to exchange that, so I'll show you. My beans will be exchanged. Exchange all. Confirm to exchange. There you go. So there's 3 because one is like maybe 3. Yeah, because 8 beans is 2 diamonds. So my 225, that's my additional. So if you can see on your diamonds, it would be changed already. So it will be added there. So exchange beans into diamond. Alright then, so that's all for today. So yeah, it is added in that. Okay. Alright, so that's all for today on how to exchange. Yeah, that's my diamond. Because a while ago, my diamond is 8,700, I think. Yeah. Alright, that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye.